what it do, what it do. This is the official BTS for the video Kote Moun. Please watch it till the end. I promise it's gonna be a good one. What's up? Getting ready to go to New York City, more specifically New Jersey. We're shooting a video. Just getting started, baby. Let's go. So Magic got us the cheapest flight available. Why you do us like that, Magic?
It's my girls, man.
So we just made it to LaGuardia Airport. We're about to go get our rental. I still don't know how it works. Apparently we're not the only ones lost in the city. Nah, let's go figure it out, bro. Just kidding. Mr. Dan. Now I'm here to pick up my rental. We got our car. I got a call. 1 second. Now I should pause the video here. See that car? We're gonna get back to it at some point in the video. All right, let's go back to the video. We just got the car. So what's next, bro? I think we should find something to eat, right?
To eat and then
go check in,
the place,
get some rest, get ready for action. It's gonna take us an hour to drive 16 miles. I'm not ready for this.
1 hour later.
And here is the crib. Really not bad, man. I've seen some crazy places in New York. That's not one of them. And it's not like we sleep like that anyways. But it was a nice place. Really comfortable. All right, Magic. You scored a good one here.
24 hours later.
So we are about 42 minutes away. I mean, I think DJ Magic's already there, and we're on our way to Wyclef's residence in New Jersey. Whoa, did you take that?
Yeah, I did.
No, you did not, bro. You know you did not. Sorry for the next clip coming up because the audio was totally messed up, but I figured I'd still use it anyway. Mr. DJ Magic, you know the vibes. We already started shooting. What's going on, Chief?
Listen,
Give him the
this
update.
is gonna be crazy. This is not only for Haiti, this is for the entire world. I can't wait for you guys to see this. Crazy.
Mr. Magic, Mr. Magic. Kote moun ka pale moun mal, bawe moun ka pale moun mal. Boy, 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 boy.
Sorry, I'm gonna pause the video again. It was such a great experience and opportunity to work with Wyclef on that project, man. I grew up, listening to Clef, to the Fugees. So the man is definitely a legend. I'm very humbled to have been a part of that project. I'm really glad this project came out really good. Yeah, man, really grateful about that opportunity. All right, let's keep it going now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the vibe. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you. Come on. This is my team right here, Jersey's on. Yeah.
Yes, we're about to go off. Wait, they were supposed to get the camera, not me.
I saved it to your phone too.
Y'all quiet. What's up? Every day, especially with TikTok.
Just when you think you know it, it's a new one.
Yeah, bring it on.
Okay, so I would just say, let's start off with when he plays it, y'all doing the choreography, then I'll come and be like, yo, let's join the club. Right?
Yeah.
You feel me? Yeah, so I think that's what makes it dope.
Yeah.
B.T. konem avant Jesus. Shakira te konem avant Sony. Prasa Lauren te konem avant Fuji's. Kodak Black te konem. Be around a nigga, Wyclef, Jean. Keep a cup of Zoom, blood around me, ease long. Quite that book and whistle, and then it's flat bush. Got my first gun before I got my first kiss.
Like right quick. You know I'm not gonna dust it. Lifestyle. All right, let's go. Let's go get a few steps down there.
You don't have the jacket. You want the jackets on? Oh, maybe.
No,
Yes,
no
I
jacket.
am.
No jacket.
Being good
I'm like,
company.
oh, maybe. Never mind.
Nice neighborhood.
You were saying you have.
Popcorn judge. I was thinking maybe.
You got it. You got
All
it.
right, ladies. Jacket, let's go.
All right, so we're about to wrap it up here. First location, Wyclef's place. We killed it. Amazing. So we got one last dance scene, and then we are headed to the studio for the second session, and then later on we're going to Brooklyn, New York to finish it off, and then call it a day. Hey.
Hey. Y'all supposed to be hiring me here too.
So, what's the name of the crew?
My name is Judith McCarty, and I'm choreographing this. These are beautiful dancers are representing Afro Freak, and we are on set today for Wyclef and Magic Song.
Hey, so far, you having fun?
Pardon?
So far,
Oh,
you
I
having
thought you were
fun?
speaking French. I said
speak
pardon?
French too. I speak French
Oh,
too.
so far we're having fun. Yes, we're having so much fun. I'm like, why did I turn around like, are we? We're having a great time. It's so much fun. It's relaxed. It's good vibes. If you don't got good vibes, you're not welcome here. I'm sorry.
Listen, Daddy, this video, man, y'all not ready for this. Y'all not ready for this. Look at all the beauties. Look at the beautiful ladies.
Just like that, Wyclef just went in the pool. This guy's energy is like unmatched. Remember we spoke about the red car in the beginning? Out of nowhere, this happened. Thanks to God we were safe. Nobody was injured. The thing is, we had to keep going. We had to get the car towed, and I had to leave Den behind to take care of the paperwork. And I went with Magic, and we went straight to the studio, which again was like 3 hours away, to keep it going. No, I like it just like that. We can start like that, and then you can add the blue, and then more of the background scene as we go. Yeah. These guys are so talented. Bruh, I wish I could have put more clips in the video, but you know, video is only so long. I'm gonna put some of those, raw performances so that you can enjoy the full scope of the performances that were done. Maybe you can add the blue now? On the day, so enjoy. Facial expression, the light for his face now. Yeah. Give me those crazy faces, bro. Rolling. Oh, sorry.
Hey, can you turn it up? Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Hold chair. Hey. 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 Let's go. More arms. Let's go. Hey. 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 Feet. Forward. 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 Hey. Let's go. Whole body. Push back a little. Push back. Hey. Let's go. Arms out. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. 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 Let's go. Let's go. That's amazing.
Woo!
Wow.
That was sick. Blue lights. Yeah. 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 Hey, hey. Hey, oh, hey, woo.
My body's so tired.
I truly appreciate everyone who worked on this project and made it a success. Y'all are the best. Despite everything that happened, we came through, we made it happen. I have nothing but love and respect for all of y'all. Thank you. I'm out.
DJ James and the ones and twos.
Yeah, oh, I like that. I like that too.
Why your flag smell so good? You spray perfume with flags.
Okay, let's just start now. You guys ready? You guys ready?
That's so cool.
Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
Yo, it was one hell of a day, man.
Listen. This guy trying to be civilized and like, who got blessed? No man curse. Y'all know the fucking deal.
Yeah, so he just wrapped it up, man. It was a movie. Get ready, coming out soon.
What a
Magic,
day.
what a day.
What a day. What a day. Listen, we went to hell and back today, but we're here and we got everything locked. Can't wait for you guys to see what we did. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. This guy is a genius. We are one more than it.
All right, man. Time to go back. See you guys in another one.